Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe InDesign on your Windows PC or Mac using Adobe's official free trial. To get started, click the link in the description below. It will take you directly to Adobe's official website. Once you're there, select your country if prompted, then click Start Free Trial. Next, choose the plan that best fits your needs. You'll see options for individuals, business, and students and teachers. If you're installing InDesign for personal use, select the individual plan, which includes a 14-day free trial, then click Continue. Enter your email address and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to provide some basic information and payment details. Adobe requires a payment method to activate the free trial, but you won't be charged unless you continue your subscription after the trial period ends. After completing the sign-up process, create a secure password for your Adobe account. Now, open a new browser tab and search for Adobe Creative Cloud download. Download the Creative Cloud desktop app from Adobe's official website, install it, and sign in using the same Adobe account you just created. Once you're signed in, go to the Apps section inside Creative Cloud. Find Adobe InDesign, click Install, and wait for the installation to finish. That's it. Adobe InDesign is now installed and ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.